So for the people that are kind of newer to intermittent fasting, what can one have that won't break a fast? And what's something common that people think won't break it, but actually does?
Ooh, good one. Yeah, that's actually the most popular question I get asked about what breaks a fast. First, we need to define what breaks a fast. Like, what's the definition of breaking a fast is what I'm trying to say. So for me, my definition of breaking a fast is when you raise glucose and start the digestive processes. Because when you raise glucose, obviously insulin goes up, and then you lower autophagy, which is this cellular cleanup process. So anytime glucose goes up, insulin goes up, autophagy goes down, and then you start your digestive system. So that is my definition of breaking a fast. So what does that? Any carbohydrates will do that. So that's a no-go. Any protein that's over 5 or 10 grams will do that as well.
Okay.
For liquids, the surprising thing is coffee. So coffee is incredible. I love coffee. You're drinking coffee right now, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You're having your short-chain fatty acid coffee.
That's right.
Coffee is incredible when it's the right type of coffee. And for some people, coffee breaks a fast. For some, it doesn't. The only way to know is to test your blood glucose right before you have the coffee. Drink your coffee and then test it 45 minutes later. And if your blood glucose goes up 5 points or higher, it's breaking your fast. But if you don't see it go up, if it drops or stays the same, it's safe. But it's different for everybody. I've tested hundreds of people. Tea is safe. Tea, when it's unsweetened, like an herbal tea, like chamomile, green tea, that's safe. Obviously, water and electrolytes that are non-flavored are safe. Supplements are mostly safe. I would avoid taking fat-soluble supplements during a fast, anything with vitamin A, D, E, and K. That needs fat to really be absorbed, and you're not really absorbing that if you have it on the empty stomach. Apple cider vinegar is great for a fast, doesn't break a fast, supports a fast. Your short-chain fatty acids and your medium-chain fats are great for a fast, doesn't break a fast. Olive oil doesn't break a fast. Coconut oil doesn't break a fast, even though there's calories there. So yeah, that's kind of a breakdown of what breaks it and what doesn't break it.
Sweet.